Building a mission and building a business go hand in hand. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Unless you are breaking stuff, you are not moving fast enough. I think a simple rule of business is, if you do the things that are easier first, then you can actually make a lot of progress. Move fast with stable infrastructure. The question I ask myself like almost every day is, am I doing the most important thing I could be doing? Don't let people deter you. That's how you do it. You are better off trying something and having it not work and learning from that than not doing anything at all. By giving people the power to share, we're making the world more transparent. People think innovation is just having a good idea, but a lot of it is just moving quickly and trying a lot of things. I'm here to build something for the long term. Anything else is a distraction. If you're always under the pressure of real identity, I think that is somewhat of a burden. I think that people just have this core desire to express who they are. And I think that's always existed. Don't let anyone tell you to change who you are. The companies that work are the ones that people really care about and have a vision for the world, so do something you like. Simply put, we don't build services to make money. We make money to build better services. Entrepreneurship is about creating change, not just companies. You get a reputation for stability if you are stable for years. Find that thing you are super passionate about. It takes courage to choose hope over fear. Whatever you build, build with care. Anyone who has built something big has done it with care. Some people dream of success, while others wake up and work hard at it. Instead of building walls, we can help build bridges. Books allow you to fully explore a topic and immerse yourself in a deeper way than most media today. My number one piece of advice is, you should learn how to program. It is important for young entrepreneurs to be adequately self-aware to know what they do not know. I think the internet is really good in general because it helps people get access to more information. Don't discount yourself, no matter what you're doing. Everyone has a unique perspective that they can bring to the world. When you want to change things, you can't please everyone. If you do please everyone, you aren't making enough progress. Don't discount yourself, no matter what you're doing. Our goal is to make it so there's as little friction as possible to having a social experience.